Imagine stepping into 1830 London. The air thick with coal smoke and the first flickers of gaslight. Now picture this. What if the printing press, mastered by William Caxton, had never been used to print eye-catching ads in newspapers? Without those bold headlines and jingles, merchants would struggle to shout across crowded streets. The department store might never have been born. No arcades in Paris or glassware emporiums in New York. Shoppers would still haggle at dusty stalls, clinging to local crafts. Fast forward to today, without that spark of mass advertising, brands like Coca-Cola or Apple might never perch on our smartphones or in our fridges. Next, imagine 1860 Paris, when Aristide Boucicault opens Le Bon Marché. What if he had not offered small parcels wrapped in stylish paper, creating a ritual of unwrapping? No elegant window displays, drawing in curious passers-by. Without that moment, credit never feels fun or fashionable. The idea of buying now and paying later stays locked in pawn shop. The modern credit card, it might still be a banker's dream. Not our daily swipe, no plastic wallets stuffed with Visa and MasterCard. Instead, you carry heavy coin purses and save for months before you could own a single dress or a new pair of shoes. Now shift to 1908 Detroit, where Henry Ford rolls out the Model T on an assembly line. What if Ford's conveyor belt had broken down and never reshaped manufacturing? Cars stay rare luxuries, handcrafted by artisans. The middle class never expands, and suburbs never sprawl. If people can drive to big box stores, shopping malls stay tiny local. No Black Friday marathons or 24-hour Amazon warehouses. Retail stays neighborhood by neighborhood, and the idea of buying more to live better laps behind. Jump ahead to 1950s America. Television enters every living room. What if TV networks have refused paid commercials? You still gather for radio soap operas, but no jingles for cereal or cars on screen. Brands like Marlboro and Cheerios never hitch a ride into your family's evening routine. Modern binge watching and product placement never drive our desire for the latest gadget. Social media might be smaller, slower, less driven by sponsored posts. Finally, imagine the dot-com boom of 1995. What if Amazon began as a simple online bookstore, but never added customer reviews or one-click buying? Online shopping stays clunky, slow, and insecure. We'd keep visiting brick-and-mortar stores, and home delivery stays a luxury. In that world, even Netflix might have stayed DVD only, and streaming becomes niche. Our addiction to instant gratification, fueled by same-day shipping and algorithm-led suggestions, would never take hold. Each of these small shifts, no mass ads, no playful credit, no Ford's assembly line, no TV commercials, no frictionless e-commerce, would reshape how we consume. Today's world of endless choice, credit-driven spending, and digital impulse buys stands on these tiny pivots. Change one spark in history, and consumerism as we know it might have died before it ever took fire.